Hey y'all, it's Rob, Money's Car Stereo. As the home of Can't Stop, Won't Stop. We got this denim black bike in, man. It's flat black, satin black. What made you get flat bike, the flat colored bike, man? What was your thing?
My wife, man.
Your wife?
My wife.
She liked this color?
She liked this color.
Oh, and she
liked it so much she ended up wanting to get another bike just like
the
same color, man.
So your wife was riding with you?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay. Well, right now she's riding in paradise, as you told me before, man. You know, rest in peace. And you said you need to get some wind therapy in your face, man. And so with that, you want to have some music so you can sit back and, clear your mind and whatnot. So we're going to take you there and get you out there. Hey, yeah, we are here. We're going to do a 3.0 in the house. We can't tell you what 3.0. That's G14 classified. But when it turns on, y'all going to know it's on from here to the Bay and in L.A. because that's what the funkers be messing with. Yeah, we going to holler at y'all. Stay tuned, y'all. We finna go. Money's Car Stereo. We out of here. Hey, y'all. We on step 1 of 2. Got the lights in. Got the music in. Ordered lowers, bag lids, tour pack coming soon. About a week and a half out. But the owner said, hey, Rob, give me something to ride to until everything else comes in. So, I kind of like to plan things out ahead of time, but he showed up and said, hey, I need something. We'll get the rest. I said, all right. So here we go. Part 1. This is just part 1 of 2. The second half will get down when we get the rest of the stuff delivered and bring on the full capabilities and a retune. But this is enough to get him in the game. Definitely way better than that stock. But yeah, we working it out, When you play different songs, you get different responses. Some say it's like day and night.
Day and night. I toss and turn, I keep stressing my mind. I live for peace, but see I don't attain. What I need for keeps this silly game we play. Now look at this. Madness, the magnet keeps attracting me. I try to run, but see I'm not that fast. I think first, but surely finish last. Cause day and night, the longest owner seems to free his mind at night. He's all alone through the day and night. The longest owner seems to free his mind at night. Day and night. The longest owner seems to free his mind at night.
That's all we got to say. Until the next episode, we out of here. Take it outside tomorrow, do the final tune on him, and this one is out of here. Next time we do a bike, we're going to talk in advance and order the parts. But, yeah, it's okay. We have a place to store it till it's over with. Got them lids in, that black satin. Got them tour packs up there. So, yeah, final touches on him tomorrow. And I'm going to yell, out of here. Gotta go. live and direct. You know what time it is. 3.5 scenario, which consists of 2, 4, 6, 8 speakers to give you that complete surround sound system. For example, I'll put the phone in my face and I'll move the phone. Volume down low. You can get the idea what I'm trying to show you. All right, so I'll say that you're trying to hear.
You know what I'm saying? Act right, bitch. When I see you in the spot, just act right. You know what I'm saying? When I yank you by the fucking arm, won't be looking at a nigga crazy. Just give it the digits and be the fuck out. You know what I'm saying?
So as you see, you got surround sound on your bike. You know, we offer the knob, as people have talked about in the past, that we do. That'll give you the best of both worlds. You know, freeway move, then we put a little more bass in the scenarios wherever you need it at. For example.
Let me break it down for y'all. It was just one of those days.
That's the highway setup.
Catch sun rays. Fun to get 100 on a Sunday afternoon. Nigga, babe got room. Grab the gap for misbehaviors. And the chocolate face boom. Lost in hip hop tones. Zoom, zoom like the Commodores. Wonder where we have drama or end up clowning whores. Around the 4 good to go girls. Like the Barbie Coast girls. Ride shotgun, baby. I be posting all the world in the ride. Sipping 151. Gave me too much pride to back down. Soon as we get to the beach, I'ma put my fucking back down. I'm playing lead, not the background. It's time to put Bronson on the map now. Walk with my hand on my Johnson crack and smile. Cutest people in style. If I don't get some act right, I'ma have to act wild.
Do it like that. We can run back farther, but
joint kicking in, I'm stimulated. For those that don't know big words, I'm fucking faded. 83 degrees, ease to a shaded spot. Our first spot was cool till some gangsters made hot. Now we plotting poles, plus we watching hoes with lots of flesh exposed. Getting swarmed by those type of niggas with no game but brown nose. So I impose only like pros can. Yo, is this your man? No, grab the bitch's hand. I'm Hitman, bling, gold chain, gleam.
let's see what we got here.
Maybe too extreme, cause the sister got stained. Didn't miss a thing, tried to scream on my brethren. I got mad, spit flame off the name. Steffin, tattooed on her arm. Oh, you ain't the bomb, must be a dyke. Get your lips rolling, give a nigga some act right in my left hand.
Just a little bit of new style music. You don't know about the E40 song. I like this song. I like the way how he runs the bass in this song. I'm gonna give y'all a little bit of that.
Keep it on, yeah, all day, all day. One with my niggas like all day. She fuck with the click, yeah, all day. We to that money like all day. Keep it 100, yeah, all day. One with my niggas, yeah, all day. Fuck with the click, yeah, all day. We to the money like all day. That's all day. Yeah, all day.
All day.
All day, every day, living with a players, play selling dope and bracket.
Money's Car Stereo. All day. We out of here.
Got time for no hiccup, touchdown. Memorize every road up the
Say, man.
Hella doing that 5 on a rush hour. Switching lanes.
What you thinking?
For bus ride. 5 minutes from my neighborhood to the outside.
It'll work?
I know.
Yeah, it's gonna work. Hold on, meet the video. It's gonna work. Yeah, okay, we got you. We got another one checking out the dough, man. Man, what we listening to over there? What we listening to? Music. Who that? Little reggae? Little Island Style, okay. Who you riding with? What that say on your shirt, man?
Yeah, you know, we ride with family right here all day, but we ride with everybody, you know.
Okay, y'all universal. I like that hoodie, man. That's in there, man. That's in there. That's right. Let me see. What's that in the back? Is that y'all flag right there? Okay, I see. That's your baby right there. All for her. That's right. Money Car Stereo, another one going out the door. We out of here.